Hello guys, yeah, welcome to this video. I hope you like this little intro that I made, because as you can see, I finally made my website. This is gonna be like a website for the channel. I'm thinking also about adding the videos and tutorials onto it, but for now it's just a little intro site which says what ROADSTARS Automotive is, because as you also saw in the intro, I founded a little super tiny company called ROADSTARS Automotive, where I'm selling on my Etsy shop some products that I designed and made, which I'm going to produce myself here in my room. For now it's just these four, but I'm always planning on adding more. And so this is a little introduction about the company, and also about the Nihonsha ROADSTARS team. I showed you these stickers in one of my videos already, and some infos to the MRS I will add here. And then the most important page is this one here, car parts, and yeah, the website is ROADSTARS automotive at gymdosite.com, .gymdosite.com, sorry. So yeah, because here you can see all the projects that I'm working on and that are available or in development. You saw me produce these inserts. They will be for sale once I do a second version, which fits better and everything. Then what is available in the shop is my shifter cover, the 3D printed version, and I've also have the forged carbon version. We will see a video about that, but I'm pretty stoked how that came out. And also like this little cap right here for the shift boot and the solid shifter bushings. Once my lathe arrives, I will also make these out of aluminium, but for now they are only available in plastic, but they work fine. I'm running those for quite a while now already. And then right here are also my solid shifter, engine mount, or at least one engine mount. But these will be available soon when I manage to improve the design a little bit and to make the installation easier, and also produce the second engine mount maybe. So yeah, this is my shop. These are the few parts I'm selling. I'm always will keep an update on here where you can see what new projects or products I'm working on, and which will be available soon. And then you can, if you are interested in any of these products, this video should in no means like force you or to buy anything. I just want to show you how it works and what I have for sale on the website. So if you say you like the shifter cover, you can just click here where it says available. The buttons where it says not available or soon available, they don't work, obviously, but where it says available, you can click on it, and then you will directly get to the Etsy shop, where you can then, for example, for the shifter cover, you have to select if you have a 6-speed or 5-speed transmission, and yeah, then you can order these parts if you want to. You don't have to, but you can if you want. And then you can obviously click on the shop, and then you can see right here, ROADSTARS Automotive, and these are the parts which are for sale. I will always make I will produce them on order, and also I always have a few available. For example, I've listed 3 of the forged carbon shifter covers, and I think 10 of the plastic ones, and yeah. So it's a little step, or for me it has been a bigger step, because there were so many things with the bureaucracy to really be able to legally run this shop, which wasn't that easy for me here in Germany, because there are some things you have to watch out for, so nobody can harm you with any legal stuff if you want to. But yeah, it's nothing what I like do to get rich or something. It's just I made these little parts and thought maybe somebody will also like them and would like to have one, and this makes it very easy to yeah, for anyone who wants a part of like this to get one. Yeah, so let's see where this will, yeah, I wanted to say where this will end, but and where this will be going, because I've a lot of more plans and ideas for more projects. Also, once I get more like machines and everything to produce everything. For now, it's mainly 3D printed parts, because I have the 3D printer, and also some carbon parts will be available. So yeah, if you want, you can check it out, and if you don't, it's fine, you don't have to. But I wanted to show it to you, and I would say that's everything for this little bonus video. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye!